Welcome to this quick start tutorial for DesignSpark Electrical. In this video, we'll cover starting your first project, adding components, creating 2D panel layouts, and using the Bill of Materials function. First, we'll look at starting a project. After opening DesignSpark Electrical, in addition to the splash screen and news channel, you'll be presented with the Projects Manager. As a new user, you can create a new project here by selecting New from the toolbar. The first option when creating a new project will be to choose your template from the default selection, or opt for an empty project and set your own configuration. Any project you create can be saved as a template for future use. This is especially useful for when you're producing repeat proposals for the same client. You can choose a language for your project from the option shown here in bold text. As you can see, there is a dual language capability if 2 languages are required for international projects. The language for the user interface can also be configured within DesignSpark Electrical. The project menu also allows you to add relevant details, such as contract number or customer details, which will then automatically appear in the pages of the project. After creating your project, you will see a Documents browser on the left. This displays the document book for the project. Expanding the document book will show the 4 types of page created by default. These are the cover page, drawing list, wiring line diagram, and electrical scheme. Additional pages can be added as needed by right-clicking on the book or any page and selecting New, followed by the type of page you want to add. The cover page to your project will feature the details you entered when you created the project. The drawing list will show the 4 initial pages and, when updated, will show the new pages you create. The wiring line diagram, also called a single line diagram or synoptic, can be used to build a design. Simply select Insert Symbol from the toolbar to add devices and then connect them with single cables. The devices added will initially be generic, but can be easily converted to specific manufacturer's parts at this stage, or in the schematic or 2D panel layout views later on. As you can see, as each part and cable is added, DesignSpark Electrical automatically assigns them a number. By right-clicking on a part and selecting Component, then Assign Manufacturer Parts, you will gain access to the comprehensive integrated parts library, featuring parts from industry-leading manufacturers, including Schneider Electric. Here you can browse and search to find a suitable device. The connecting cables can also be configured along with the locations of the various devices in sufficient detail to specify a design without the need for schematics. You may, however, prefer to design in schematic form. You will see that, just as in the wiring line diagram, devices are allocated marks relevant to their function and are numbered sequentially as they are placed into the design. The order of numbering can be instantly recalculated once the design is complete to present a logical sequence across the project. You will see that as devices are added, they will appear in the Components browser on the left. These will be visible regardless of the screen on which they were entered. A bill of materials will be generated as you design. This bill of materials will include details of all the manufacturer's parts in your project. Your bill of materials can be accessed by going to Project and then Reports. You will see that in this menu there are a number of options to export the bill of materials. If you want to go to an online purchase option, your bill of materials can be sent to the RS website, where you will see prices and availability against your parts list. This option can be accessed either via the RS logo in the Quick Access toolbar at the top of the screen or in the Process tab on the main toolbar. We hope this tutorial has helped you get started with DesignSpark Electrical. If you want to learn more, please visit the DesignSpark Electrical web pages to access resources, including frequently asked questions and tutorials, to help you take full advantage of the benefits of DesignSpark Electrical.